Let's begin.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your first time stopping in. Be sure to hit subscribe. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. It's been a little while since I posted in the last video. I stated that I was having a little boy. And had a little boy. He's a little shit. I gotta admit though, he's probably one of the quietest babies I've ever met in my life. He sleeps all night long. He only wakes up to eat. He goes right back to sleep. He doesn't fuss. I couldn't ask for anything better. I get just as much sleep now as I did before. But I'm stupid ecstatic to have him. As you've seen here in the beginning of the video, the reason why I haven't had any projects or made any videos is because I've been building this baby room that I'm currently standing in. Long story short, we didn't find out my girlfriend was pregnant until she was roughly 35, 36 weeks pregnant. She has problems with her thyroid, and all the symptoms she was having was thyroid issues, thyroid related. We ended up going to a thyroid specialist 3 hours away. Woke up 6:30 in the morning, got there for the appointment, and come to find out she was pregnant. So everything that you usually get like 9 months to do, I did it in like 2.5. This room that I'm currently standing in used to be completely enclosed in glass doors. There was one here, here, and then over here behind the shelf. I ended up taking those doors out. I walled it in, insulated it, sheeted the outside. I built this bay window right here. I did all the drywall work on the inside. I mean, granted, it's not perfect here on the inside, but the parts that were not sanded perfectly, you won't see once all the shelves and everything are up. So realistically, I'm not worried about it. But I mean, all in all, the project itself is 90% done. I gotta finish cleaning, I gotta hang some shelves, put the baby beds together, move all the jazzy jazz in here. I mean, at this point in time right now, he is still, he'll be sleeping in a bassinet until 8-9 months. So I mean, realistically, I have time, but I like to get things done just so that I can move on to other projects. I ended up building a wall in what used to be the living room. I built the wall dividing that room to make that our bedroom. I took our old bedroom, made it the living room. I cut a hole going from our old bedroom into the kitchen to open the room up between the two so that it was more open. It didn't feel secluded, so it's more of like a great room versus two separate rooms. That is done. I got to put 2 more sheets of drywall in there for the wall going for the inside of the bedroom. I got to mud. I got to put some drywall right here between the 2 rooms. Mud, and that's done. The next project to be after that is I'm going to be extending the bathroom because I want a stand-up shower. Tubs are cool. Kids need them. I'll retain the tub, but I'm building me a man shower. I want 20 shower heads. I want 1,000 psi of pressure. I want 10,000 degree water, and I want to be able to dance and play football in that motherfucker. But all in all, you know, it's one thing at a time. I did get my other 2 15s to go in the truck. So what I have planned for that is I currently have a cut through, which is subwoofer box in the bed, and there's a hole cut in the cab with accordion boot between the two. The box is pushed up, seals off. The box is in the bed. That was cool. You know, sometimes I regret kind of doing it. So what I'm actually going to do is I still have the metal that I cut out to originally do it. I'm going to weld that piece back in and seal the cab back off. And then I'm going to end up walling the inside of the cab extended portion off. Ow, damn. Yeah, walling the extended cab portion off with the 415s on a flat wall driver side port. 4-scar VVX 15s on a CT Sounds Team 4000.1. But that's my project coming up for myself. Now that I've done this, you know, I want to do something for me. So here in the next couple weeks, I got interviewed Tuesday for a little bullshit part-time job just so that I can have some cash flow coming in. I am still going to school. I got to leave here in about 30-45 minutes. Today's the last day of class for this week. Ray's coming over. We're starting Tahoe 2.0 today. It's back from, he's got his new Tahoe back from paint. We're going to be installing the subwoofer box, running wires, putting the alternator, amp rack, putting all that stuff in his new box, or in his new truck. We're starting that today, and then we'll see where it goes. A buddy of mine, a buddy of mine wants me to do some door pods for his CRX. I will be building a subwoofer enclosure for my daily beater, 1995 Mercedes E320. We're going to do just 2 little Scar 8s and a little porta box in the trunk, just so I can have a little base to ride back and forth while I'm going to school. I mean, all in all, I'm really surprised with the factory speakers that are in that car. They sound better than most newer vehicle cars, and they are 95 to 2005, 2015. Well, they're 24 years old, and they sound really good. They're just, in my opinion, lacking on some low end, so we're going to do a little enclosure. I got a little amplifier from a buddy of mine, thanks Sammy. I'm going to be using that. It's a little Alpine V12, V-Power, whatever it's called. It's just a little old school, nothing special, but it's definitely going to push the little 8s, so that's another little project. I just want to touch base with you guys real quick, let you know that we are still here. I just had to get this room done. Now that it is done, we can continue on with doing other projects here on the channel. But I do appreciate you guys subscribing. I do appreciate you guys checking in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment. I'll be at you guys later this week, hopefully in the next couple days, with an update and an upload, a preview of the Tahoe. Hopefully this time he won't spin out rear-ended guardrail, and this one can actually bang. But yeah, on that note, guys, I'm going to upload this real quick, and I'm going to dip out of school. I'll holler at you guys later. I'm out.